Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a chicken adobo, which is a Filipino food. So you can use, you can do like pork or beef adobo, pork adobo, but today I'm going to just do a chicken adobo. I got about 3 pounds of chicken drumstick, and the main ingredient will be the chicken, the chopped up garlics right here, a lot of chopped up garlics, white vinegar, and soy sauce. So those are the 3 main ingredients that you put into the chicken adobo: the white vinegar, soy sauce, and the chopped up garlics. And you also put brown sugar. It's about a little bowl of brown sugar right there. This is optional. If you want a little spicy, put a little bit of ground pepper. And you don't have to do this part right here, but I like to make some slits on the chicken drumstick so that when you cook it, the ingredient would get in there a little better. But this is optional, so just put a couple slits right here. Like that. I say it's optional. I found that if you do like this, the ingredient kind of get into the meat a little better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season the chicken drumstick a little bit of salt, not too much. All right. This is also optional. If you want a little spicy, just put a little bit ground up pepper. You don't have to. Okay, optional. I got a big frying pan right here. Turn on the heat high. I'm using olive oil, or you can use any vegetable oil. Gonna put about just put about like 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. And make sure the pan is really hot before you put the chicken in. You just want to brown the chicken. That's all you want to do in this. Just put the lid on top a little bit. You don't need to cover it. You don't want to steam it. So basically, preventing the oil from splashing all over the stove here. Alright, let's turn it together. That's what we want. So that's what you want right here. You just brown the chicken like this. 2-3 minutes on each side. You don't have to cook the chicken. All right. Alright, that's really good. Now remove the chicken drumstick from the pan. Alright, just put a little more oil, a little bit more oil, a couple more teaspoons. Put up a chop up garlic here, a lot of chop up garlic. Now you just want to brown the garlic. You don't want to burn it, so make sure you stir it constantly. You just want to brown it. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. It's too hot right here. I don't want to burn it. Just reduce the heat to medium. See, that's all you want, like brown a little bit like this. That will bring out the flavor when you're doing this. Okay, doesn't take long, it's already brown. Put it to one side a little bit right here, and then put the chicken back in. Now just spread the garlic all over. And now this is the main ingredient right here, white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar, about a cup of that. One cup soy sauce. So equal part, one equal part vinegar and soy sauce. 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup vinegar, so equal part. And then brown sugar. It's depending on how sweet you want. You can put the, you know, add according to your taste. So put some brown sugar here. It's about a little cup of this, a little dish of this brown sugar. Now turn back the heat on to high. You turn the heat back to high. I was have it on medium. Put the lid on, bring it to a boil, put the lid on. When it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium and just let it sit there for about, you let it simmer for about 45 to an hour, and then it should be done. It's been cooking almost half an hour now. It's as you can see, it's the all the liquid that's kind of reduced. So one thing I forgot to put in there is a bay leaf. So put a couple bay leaves in there. So put a couple bay leaves in there. I forgot to put at the beginning. So that should be good enough. So you can see the liquid reduced almost half now. So just turn it to the other side, so let it absorb all that liquid in there. All that looks good now. See, the meat is kind of falling off now. It's very soft now. So about another 15 minutes to go. Should be done. Put the lid back on. I think I'm going to reduce the heat a little. Go to low now instead of medium. Just let it simmer a little more. All right, after about 45 minutes right here, the liquid already reduced almost like more than half already. Look at really thick liquid right here. The chicken is very tender, so let's plate it up. The rice already cooked. We usually serve this with rice. Rice is very fluffy. Yeah, you serve this with rice. Okay. Just gotta put a little of this look at yummy juice right here, liquid all over the rice. That's nice. It's very flavorful. And then a little bit of this liquid right here. That's nice. And just sprinkle a little cilantro on the top. And I have some cucumber right here. Normally it's kind of nice to eat this with cucumber. Slice up some cucumber. Okay. Now that looks very nice. And all right, let's give it a taste. See how it tastes. Look at all that liquid right here, all that juicy liquid. And you just want to put a little bit of the meat is really tender, it's falling off. Look at it. Mmm. You can taste that sourness from the vinegar and the sweetness from the brown sugar and the saltiness from the soy sauce. Oh, really good. This is really good right here. Oh, this is good. Mmm. Mm. Mm. So so next time you go to the supermarket, buy some chicken or some pork, you can do this chicken or pork adobos, and this is very tasty, and it's very simple to do. Like I said, there's only a few ingredients: brown sugar, chop up garlic, vinegar, soy sauce. That's about it. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.